The very essence of life in the Marlborough Sounds, our taonga, needs to be safeguarded. Here, in the heart of the Marlborough Sounds, nature has crafted a true marvel, a diverse marine and coastal haven, sheltering the most endangered species in all of New Zealand. But this journey is more than a celebration. It's a quest for preservation. Imagine a thriving marine paradise where artificial reefs breathe new life into the waters and guarantee an unparalleled sanctuary for the next generation. Together with the dedication of the Sounds Enhancement Project, we aim to earn the title of Wildlife Heritage Area, a symbol of our shared commitment to safeguard this irreplaceable ecosystem. These dreams are not mere fantasies. They are becoming tangible realities. Supported by international benefactors and the passion of our community, in partnership with the Sounds Enhancement Project, we are creating a future where the Marlborough Sounds will thrive for generations to come.